In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can check your total downloads on your Routine Hub using just one iOS shortcut. So I'm in my Routine Hub now, and this is what we are after. So I want to know what my total downloads are. And to do that, I need this link. So I'm just going to copy everything. So I'm going to create a new shortcut and I'm going to rename it to check total downloads on Routine Hub. I'm then going to click on the action called text and then go ahead and search for URL. In the URL, you're either going to paste the link or type the link from your computer. So in my case, I'm typing the link. So this was the link that I asked you guys to copy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the programmer prgrmr off the URL and I put it in the text field. This is because when you guys will download this shortcut, you can just put your own username and then it will show you. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the URL the magic variable of the text and I'm going to run it to see if the URL is correct or not. I'm then going to go ahead and search for get contents of URL and I'm going to run it to see if everything's working okay. Okay, yeah, so I was expecting to see all this stuff, and right here you can see there is downloads, and that is what we want. But what I want to do now is I want to convert everything to a text. I'm going to go ahead and add an action called text. And in the text, I want to add get contents of URL. I'm going to run it now and allow it. And as you can see that I have the stuff converted in text now. And what I want is that downloads 2436. But because the 2436 can change, I'm going to add an action called match text. And I'm going to be using something called regex here, regular expression, basically a pattern language. It takes a little bit to understand, but for now, just type what I'm typing. So first I'm going to be checking just by clicking on downloads to see if it can match anything. And yep, it went through the whole document and matched the downloads. What I'm going to do now is use the regular expression \d for digit. And then I'm going to run the shortcut. And now I'm getting download 2, which means I'm only getting the first digit. What I'm going to do is add plus after the D, which means give me any digits you can find after downloads. And I'm going to run the shortcut again. And I've got my result back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another action called match to extract that downloads. And here in the pattern, I just want all the digits. I don't want downloads. So I'm going to do the regex again, which is \d plus. Then I'm going to run the shortcut again. And I've got my numbers. So now I can do anything with the numbers. I'm going to go and add an action called text again. And then I'm going to type your total downloads on your Routine Hub is. And then I can add a magic variable, which is that match text. And I'll run it now. And there it is. You made your first shortcut that does web scraping. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some comments in there just so when I upload it to Routine Hub and you guys download it, it's going to be easier for you to understand what's in the shortcut and what you guys can change. And if you like this video, check out my next video where I'm going to be showing you on how to check download for only one individual shortcut using Siri shortcut.